My name is Mike. That's Troy. That's Troy, boy. What am I going to show you? 1010D center section A. I just took this off, and what was funny about it, I got to teach you guys something. Do you want to know something? I can't get her back on. Because I'm one-handed. Yeah, anyways, I'll just tell you, I took that off. But the canut was loose. Right, Troy? The canut was loose. So that tells me this bearing, there's bearings inside that centerpiece too that are, they're wore out. There's a bearing right here and there's a seal, and the seal is compromised. So that means we're going to pull that shaft out at the same time we do the center section, or re-put new bearings in there, because that pinion should have a set torque. And I was able to take that nut off without it. So here's the big ring I was talking about, or I'm going to show you. I took the drive shaft off, it's laying over here. And we got a tool. Where's the tool, Troy? It's so greasy in here, it's pathetic. This is a tool. We made this one. I'll show you when I get to that, how that's going to work. Hopefully I was showing you the right stuff, but there's a lock plate I got to take off. We'll get there.